Hey, it's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're in the garage and I'm trying to catch up on some of my little projects, but one of the projects is getting rid of this electronic thermostat. It is the vein of my existence. It's an old thermostat that I got at Habitat for Humanity, and you know what? Habitat Humanity stores are great stores, but I picked this thing up and no matter what I've done to it, I cannot get it to hold the temperature. It's programmable, so I'll set it. I feel like I set it, and the next thing you know, I come back in the shop, and the shop's 21 degrees, super hot. So I'm like, okay, becomes really frustrating. It's just a big waste. So I wanted to make sure that I got this all cleared up, so I ordered a Honeywell non-programmable thermostat. The model is CT30A, just on, off, you know, you can set it down before you leave, stuff like that. Just common sense, simple thermostat. So we're gonna remove this, install that, and we're gonna see how that goes. So let's go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just yank this off. That pops off here. Okay, so we're gonna unhook the wires. I think we make our lives way too complicated. Like the good old days when you had the heat low, you turn the heat up. Very, very simple. I'm starting to appreciate this. Okay, so look at that. Just nice little low-tech version right there. What does it say? Remove. We're going to remove that. Okay, so on the back, there's 2 screws. That's where your thermostat wires go to. I'm going to hook them up. Okay, this one. And then this one. Okay, so she's tight. This on, make sure it's level. There you go. Wouldn't say it's the most accurate. Right here, it should be about 12 degrees in here. Let's see what the old one says. I don't know if you can see it. The old thermometer says it's 9 degrees in here. So here, it's not coming on. If I go up to here, there. So it's not the most accurate, but if I go down to 10, I'm sure that's going to be good. So there you go. She is installed and it is working. You can hear the furnace come on. Leave it on for a little bit. We make life way too complicated. You know, we come in here and we try to adjust this pre-programmable thermostat, and next time you come in, they're set wrong or whatever. There's a little bit of peace and serenity walking into your shop, turning the thermostat up, and then next thing you know, the furnace pops on. When you're a little more in control of it, you know, like I've tried to set that other one, it is absolutely crazy. So I'm really going to appreciate this one. It's going to be a whole lot simpler, easier to use, and it's not going to drive me nuts anymore. So that's about enough for today, and you guys have a good one.